In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a searchable directory on Wix with Wix Site Search. We'll start by adding the tool that powers your directory. In Wix Studio or the standard Wix editor, open the App Market. You can also use the Add menu and choose Apps. In the search bar, type Wix Site Search, then select the official app and click Add to Site. Give it a moment to install. As soon as it's ready, a new search bar will appear right on your page, which means you're set to begin tailoring it to your content. Next, click the search bar element to open its settings panel on the right. This is where you decide how it looks and where it lives. Take a minute to consider layout options, like placing a compact bar in your site header for global access, or centering it prominently on a directory or resources page. Then review the visual style so it matches your brand. Colors, fonts, borders, and background fills. A consistent look helps users instantly recognize the search across your site. Now let's shape what people will find. In the settings, go to Manage Search Results. Choose the content types you want to appear, such as pages, blog posts, store products, and any collections or databases you've set up. You can reorder the priority by dragging items in the list, put products first if you're store focused, or move blog posts up if your content strategy leads with articles. This makes sure the most relevant content shows at the top. Dial in the behavior further under Manage Search Settings. Toggle the specific sources you want to include and fine-tune filters or relevancy so the best results surface first. When it feels right, save your configuration so it sticks. With the mechanics in place, style the bar to match your site's design system. Adjust the font family and size, set text, border, and background colors, and pick rounded or sharp corners. Set the width and height so the field is easy to click and read on both desktop and mobile. Aim for strong contrast for accessibility, and keep spacing consistent with nearby elements. Before going live, click Preview at the top right to test. Try searching a product name if you have a store, a blog topic, or page name, and a staff member or service name if you're building a directory. Confirm that results load quickly and link to the correct pages in the order you expect. When everything works, click Publish. Keep an eye on how people use search over time and tweak settings if you notice they're not finding what they need. That's how you create a searchable directory on Wix. By adding the Wix Site Search app,